talking about our new customers or the industry's customers right now, IT teams. I think there are three things which everybody is looking for if you are an IT department. So they are looking for easy, and it's easy from the user experience side, easy from the solution complexity, easy from the maintenance side, and AV technology it could be a real pain, especially if you now understand the fact that huddle spaces, medium-sized spaces, are taking over the big boardrooms. So exponentially, the service calls grow. It becomes a real pain for a typical IT department. So if you have easy meeting spaces, automated, easy to maintain, easy to support, from an IT department, that's going to be fantastic. A meeting room that stops working, it's equivalent to any critical system that stops working. Imagine that you have a situation like this and your CEO is in a room with a very important customer and that meeting space just stops working. Now, today, IT departments, they expect to have AV technology managed and supported the same way they deal with standard IT stuff. So from our perspective, it's our mission basically to make this thing accessible and easy to manage, and providing them those specific tools, the dashboards, the tools that an IT guy could use his iPad or phone to support or to fix a problem. He does not need to be there. AV does not need to be attended physically anymore. That's the key thing. You can do that remotely. And for an IT guy, this is the best thing ever. These are not just words. We try to reflect that everywhere on each solution that we have. And we talk about software-driven AV, we talk about cloud, we talk about platforms, open AV platforms, which will enable you to add much more functionality without replacing the appliance itself. So this is the new AV. That's the smarter AV.